Hi YouTubers, welcome to Science Stuff. Today's session we are going to learn about human nose. We are going to learn structure of the nose, smell and our nose, and the smell are olfactory sensation. Our external nose has two nostrils. They lead to the nasal cavity. Nasal septum divides the nasal cavity into two halves. The nasal cavity is lined with mucous membrane and small hairs. Olfactory receptors are present in the mucous membrane. You can see here external nose, bridge, lateral side wall, ala, tip, soft, triangle and columella. Now coming to smell and our nose. Smell serves a protective function by sensing the odor of possibly dangerous food for some animals. The scent of a predator. We humans seem to use the sense of smell primarily in conjunction with the taste to locate and identify food, avoid spoiled food, etc. Humans use the sense of smell in much limited manner as compared to other animals. Are olfactory sensation. You can see here olfactory bulb, olfactory epithelium, turbinate bronze and cribriform plate of epimole. Smell from flowers like arthropods and fruits like jackfruit is good for some people but not for others. How we get smell, whether it is good or bad. Biologically, the sense of smell or olfaction begins with chemical events in the nose. Their odors interact with the receptor proteins associated with specialized nerve cells. These cells, incidentally, are the body's only nerve cells that come in direct contact with the outside environment. Receptors present at the base of the skin lining the inner walls of the nose are highly sensitive to odor chemicals. How does we know it's bad or good smell? More broadly, scientists have cataloged at least 1,500 different odor-producing chemicals. Exactly how the nose makes sense of so many odors is not completely understood, but we do know that nasal receptors sense the shape of odor molecules. We also know that the nose receptor cells transform information about the stimulus into nerve signals and convey it to the brain smell centers located on the underside of the brain. There, our sensations of smell are initially processed and then passed on to many other parts of the brain. Unlike all the other senses, smell signals are not relayed through the hypothalamus, an important part of brain that coordinates our nerve system and endocrine or hormone secreting system. The hairs and mucus in the nasal cavity keep dust, germs and other unwanted materials away from gaining entry into our bodies through the nose. This is for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.